So, who are you and why are we here? Let me introduce myself, Mr. Engineer. I am the Aero Electronics guy, and I have something interesting to show you. Oh, great. So it's a sales pitch. It's more like a friendly, informative chat. Sure. So check this out. It's the VCNL4100 from Vishay Opto. Cool part number, but it tells me nothing about what it actually is. Well, it's a long-distance integrated proximity and ambient light sensor. What makes it integrated? The VCNL4100 is an infrared emitter, proximity detector, ambient light sensor, signal conditioning IC, and I2C interface. It's part of their light-to-digital portfolio. All that in one sensor? It has to be big. Actually, it's only 1.8 millimeters in height and measures 3 millimeters in width and 8.0 millimeters in length. Smaller than I would think. That long distance is kind of vague. How long? Up to 1 meter, depending on the reflective medium. Is this one of those time-of-flight sensors like they use in high-cost drones? No, this is far more cost-effective. It provides relative proximity sensing, not an exact range. In most applications, that is sufficient. Cost-effective, you mean less expensive, right? Yes, much less expensive. And to top it all off, the device has an ambient light sensor. Okay, this sounds legit. I imagine that could come in handy for turning on the display in my refrigerator and thermostat as I approach it. It could also keep the display dim when I am going for that late-night snack. Now, if it could also control the intensity of the light in the refrigerator... It could! Cool. I'm sold. Thanks. It also has an I2C interface for setting upper and lower thresholds and other programming functions. I said I'm sold. So, would you like me to get you a quote on the VCNL4100? I thought this wasn't a sales pitch. Just a friendly, informative conversation. Okay, sure. Why not?